guys, welcome back to Roatan. Today we are on the fabulous east end of the island. I'm Chris Inger, this is Sophia Video, and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate. Today we are at Marble Hill Farms. What can I tell you about Marble Hill, Soph?
Well, so far so good. Let me tell you, this is wonderful.
Right? I just love sitting out here. This is an amazing view. Obviously we have an expansive ocean front. Clearly a great place to enjoy the sun, the salt water, diving, a possible land development, and so much more on this property. We are listed at $3.5 million, and we have over 23 acres to show you.
So this is Marble Hill Farms, MLS 19489, and we're sitting here on the dock, which is part of this wonderful parcel of land and hotel, restaurant, and dive shop operation, and we're going to give you guys a quick little tour.
So we're going to start here at the dive operation, and then we're going to work our way through a couple of the different accommodations that are currently here, also showcasing the expansive amount of land here for future land development, maybe a neighborhood, maybe residential, maybe a larger accommodation for a hotel or a boutique type of hotel, or maybe even some kind of all-inclusive. So there's so many options, there's a lot to see, so we're going to break it up in a couple of videos. So stay tuned, we'll show you around. Join us. So Sophia, if you stop here and take a look, of course you can see there is so much land here. Plenty of places with rolling hills. Also would be great for lot sales. You would be able to have lots of ocean views on this side. It'd be really nice.
But this is already set up as a hotel, right?
It does have a resort feel to it. You could definitely continue on with that, because right here there's actually 4 sea view apartments that also have this incredible view that was just recently built in the last couple of years.
It's wonderful.
Yeah. So let's take a look around.
So while you're here, you get to use all of these wonderful amenities.
Absolutely. I mean, you've got kayaks, you've got stand-up what's up boards, you've got the lovely dive operation, of course, and you've got plenty of dive sites around here.
Looks like you could do a lot of lounging too.
Look at this. Wouldn't that be, is that not like the perfect tropical picture?
This looks like where I want to spend my afternoon.
Right? A great little sunset spot, or maybe a nice book.
Yeah, absolutely.
And while we're here, just so you have an idea of where we are on the island, this over here is Punta Blanca, and this on this side of the left-hand side here is actually some of the expansion of Marble Hill Farms. So a great place, again, where you could maybe put in a little bit more beach, or maybe you could even build a little bit more.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look around here. Are you gonna sail for us?
It might be time. You ready to sail away?
Yes.
Let's do this.
So the nice dock here was just recently upgraded in the last year or two, and they've actually put the dive center right here and expanded. So you've got plenty of storage space for all of your dive gear, all of your ocean play toys, basically. And then upstairs there's actually a really nice sun deck and a great spot to enjoy some afternoon drinks, or maybe a surface interval.
So right in here, you have all your setup for the dive shop. You've got your lockers for the guests and as well for employees. And you also have your BCDs and all of your equipment that you need for diving.
Absolutely. And then they actually added this neat little spot here for a little after hours boozing. Why not?
Well, I think after a full day of diving, a drink is well deserved.
I would agree. What's your favorite drink?
Mine's a margarita.
Ooh,
yeah.
Very nice. I like it.
Margarita. So as we go in here, this is where the compressor and all the tanks are for the dive shop. So everything is set up here so you don't have to lug anything around.
Absolutely. Perfect. And then, sorry, there's just some more storage here. You've got some fishing gear. You've got your stand-up paddle boards.
All kinds of equipment for a nice day on the ocean.
Absolutely. And of course, we've got this beautiful dock.
So this dock is deeded into the property, right?
That's correct, yes.
Wonderful. And so then we've got our beach frontage here. We've got water frontage. And then we have all these wonderful casitas and cottages.
Yes, and they've got actually a really large central building that we could possibly be converted into maybe a clubhouse or maybe just a large estate home. There's many options. Yeah. And you can see that they've added a little bit of beach in the area, which is nice because this is typically an area where you get a lot more wind and you don't have a lot of sand on this side of the island.
And something we should let you guys know is that right now, due to this current time, we're not operational here at Marble Hill Farms, but it was up until March, and they do look forward to welcoming guests back as soon as possible.
As we all do.
Absolutely.
So the next thing we're going to take a look at is actually the tree houses, which are super cute.
So those are the ones over there, right?
Yeah, they all have incredible ocean views and very private.
And how many are there?
There's actually 4.
Wow, okay. Can't wait.
Plenty of room for expansion as well.
Lots of room for expansion. Look at this tropical feel.
Oh yeah, the tropical gardens here are super lush. Very nice.
I'm seeing a lot of coconut trees.
Ooh. Maybe some mojitos. Coconut mojitos are my favorite.
We definitely should have some of those in a bit.
So if you can also take a look, this road was just recently added this year in 2020. So it's really nice because now people can drive up and down, take a full advantage of the dive shop because it is public, so anybody can use it.
Wonderful.
All right, and these are the tree houses. As you can tell, they're all private. They all have incredible, expansive ocean views. But let's go take a look inside.
Wonderful. And Chris, what's this?
These are actually restrooms for the dive operation. So that way guests don't have to run all the way up to their rooms, or it's open, of course, to the public, so anybody can use it.
That's really nice.
Ah, yes.
Oh, wow. Look at all this lush tropical trees.
So come on and enjoy this way. Take a look at that beautiful view. And all these mature trees offering lots of shade.
Wonderful. So we're going to go to the farthest tree house that's located right over here. These are quite nice because they're far enough apart from each other that you do have quite a bit of privacy from your neighbors.
Absolutely. And there's lots of room for expansion. So if you wanted to add another couple, you could, and they would still have great views. And over this way, you can kind of see there's a nice path over to the main house in the restaurant area. And that was just added in 2020 to kind of upgrade the resort to maybe doing golf cart room service type.
Wonderful.
All right, let's take a look. I'm excited. Let's go.
Oh, wow, Chris.
Look at that view, huh?
That is amazing.
Isn't that nice?
I could definitely wake up here every day.
Right? Me too. Definitely. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, everything is well constructed here. Everything comes fully turnkey, so you have all of the furnishings, everything ready to open up when you are.
And is this a king-size bed?
It is a king-size bed, and everything was made here locally on the island.
That's great. I love how we're supporting our own.
Absolutely. And they've got this beautiful woodwork that's all done, like I said, locally. It's very important to help all of our friends and family on the island.
Absolutely.
So they're nice studios, but the bonus, of course, is going to be out on that patio. Can you imagine having a nice little morning coffee or maybe even a little afternoon glass of wine?
Absolutely. This place is just stunning, Chris.
It's gorgeous. I love to spend a weekend here. And yes, the outdoor shower. How fun is that?
That is total fun.
That's
and private from your neighbors, so nobody's going to ever know.
Exactly, exactly. And a couple other things to note about this place is it does have a studio, or it is a studio, sorry, and it does have a nice little kitchenette.
We'll take a look at that in just a second, but I do think we need to take a look at this wonderful view.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. And the sunset's just over there, so you've got beautiful sunsets as well.
What a great place for a little staycation or a vacation.
Certainly. Well, guys, thanks so much. We are going to take a look at that kitchenette, and then we'll see you in a few minutes.
Oh, Chris, I can't believe we almost forgot this. This is a great space.
Isn't it a nice kitchen? You've got your cooktop, you've got full fridge, you've got it all.
Well, I don't see a blender. How are we going to make those margaritas?
You know, we'll have to talk about ownership there.
We'll have to talk about that to them. I guess we're going to have some wine.
I guess so.
Well, thank you for joining us for this first half of Marble Hill Farms. We're going to relocate to another part of this property. Once again, it is 23 plus acres, so there's a lot of land. So we're going to go see those sea view apartments, and we'll see you in a couple of minutes.
Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.
Bye.